Hai khazani ta khuktai bu huksong tai jotono no lamsogo Kokborok mik channel lo khazani ta khuktai bu huksong norok no sanamu sungma khe haise this is December tal ba December month ojora so December month ke actually Christmas season hani sajago ba saimano amon bagai Kokborok mik channel is going to upload a lot of activities regarding Christmas activities ni activities kwbangma video upload khlaijaknai channel Kokborok mik channel o Christmas season o amon bagi norok update tongdi jodi no channel norok subscribe khlaya kungke o channel no subscribe khlai rui bell icon no sini all faike all of sini rudi tamni hinke jefro omtoi hai ba Christmas season ni activities videos jefro upload khlayo afro no norok notification manano so han haite kaisa kok sanamu sungo norok no wishes khlaina musungo kha bai khuk bai hamjakma bai Kokborok mik channel ni family ingui norok no o Christmas season no norok khatung di tongthok di tai ang kha khlayo norok ni family wo blessing fighting norok khak chang tung tongthok tung tai kaham ke wan suma bai tongthok ma bai o Christmas season no norok celebrate khlai di tai tongthok di tai Kokborok mik channel go tongthok nai tai kwbangma video upload khlai nai tai kha khlayo norok tongthogano khakjanggano tai blessing manano norok ni family rogo manano hne ang khaklayo tai ani khabai khukbai norok no blessing khlayo norok ni family wo kaham tung blessing fighting tongthok tung khakjak tung o Christmas season